Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you how to create a colored cut crease, so stay tuned. If you haven't subscribed, please do, and do not forget to turn on the notification button down below so that you are notified whenever I post. So let's get into the video. I will begin with eyebrows, and I'm going in with a spoolie to prep them. Then I'll go in with lash glue and apply on top of my brows, and then brush them with a spoolie and go in with a number 3 Davis pencil. To outline my eyebrows, I am going in with the LA Girl concealer in the shade Fawn. I will use the same concealer as an eyeshadow base. To outline the upper part of my brow, I am going in with Maybelline Superstay in the shade number 66. I will be using this splash palette by Zaron Cosmetics. I will start with the shade Jive or Jive, I don't know how to pronounce it, and take my blending brush, tap off the excess, and then straight into the crease. And I'll be using tapping and packing motions. And to darken my crease even further, I will go in with the shade Mystery, which is a dark blue shade, just using tapping and packing motions. So what I am doing now is going in with the pink shade, using a clean blending brush, and tap on the edges of the crease color to diffuse any harsh lines and create a smooth transition. To smoothen everything out and bring in that gradient of color, I will go in with the shade Burnt. To cut my crease, I'll be using a Legal concealer in the shade Fawn, and I'll be using a flat brush for this. The same brush I used to conceal my eyebrows. I'll put a little concealer on my lash line and look up. That's what I'll use as a guide to do my crease. So once I've had my outline, I will take Vaseline and an ear pad and remove the excess shadow. The reason for this is so that my crease stays longer and intact. While drawing the crease, I make sure that my brush is sitting flat for precision. I'll draw going towards the inner corner and outer corner. I am using tapping motions to ensure that the crease is precise. So my crease is done, and I'll use the shade that I used to cut the crease to blend the outer corner. That is the purple shade and the dark blue shade. And then I'll transition to the pink shades and blend the purple, blue, and the pink. Then I'll go in with the shade Burnt, an orange shade, and blend. For the inner corner, I'm going in with the shade Funk, which is a yellow shimmery shade, and I'll go in with the shade and blend, ensure that all the shades are blending. So everything is blended. This is how it looks, and I'll do the other eye. So I am done with the eyes, and I'll go in with an eyeliner and line my eyes. I am priming my face with the Ordinary primer, and the foundation I will be using is Maybelline Superstay in the shade 66. To contour, I'll be using a legal concealer in the shade Dark Cocoa, and I'll be contouring my cheekbones and my nose, the bridge of my nose, and my forehead. I am going in with the legal concealer in the shade Fawn to highlight. To set my contour, I'm using MAC powder in the shade NW50. To set my highlight, I'm using Maybelline Lasting Fix. I'll use a powder brush to blend everything together on my face. I'll then go in with Maybelline powder in the shade 350 Caramel to just set everything up and ensure that there are no harsh lines. The bronzer I am using is from Beauty Bakery. This is a blush from Susie Beauty. The shade is Pomegranate. To highlight, I am using Deja Brew shade from the Beauty Bakery palette. I will go in with the purple shade under my lower lash line and blend in the purple and the dark blue shade. After that, I'll go in with the pink shade and blend everything. To highlight the inner corner of my eyes, I'm going in with this Unicorn palette and I'm using the shade Plenty of Fun Boys. Then I'll go in with the Colossal Kajal in black to outline my waterline. I am going in with a brown liner to outline my lips. I am using MAC lipstick in the shade So Me and Maybelline liquid lipstick in the shade color number 9, Truly. When the lipsticks are blended, I'll go in with a clear gloss and apply on top. I'll then set my face using Maybelline setting spray. So this is the final look, guys. Let me know what you think down below in the comment section, and if you haven't subscribed, please do, and do not forget to turn on the notification bell button down below so that you are notified whenever I post. So I'll see you again in my next video. Bye, guys.